Hi all of you, welcome to Shanmugam IAS Academy. This is Ashwin. I welcome you all to a new topic, that is black fungus. So this is a topic which we are going to discuss is an important one. We can say it as a post-COVID-19 infection. In India, it is right now creating an apprehension among the people. In news, we have seen a number of COVID-19 patients are developing a serious fungal infection. That is what mucormycosis. So it is a black color fungus. It is infecting our eye. So let us discuss the things about the mucormycosis, that is the fungus. It is a serious but a rare fungal infection caused by a group of molds called Mucormycetes. So mold in the sense it is a group of fungus. So the group or mass of fungus mold and Mucormycetes we are calling. It is abundant in the environment. It is so much in the environment. It mainly affects people who have health problems. So it is not affecting the people who are having the COVID-19 only. The people who have been having the infections and the other kind of diseases were affected by this mold called mucormycosis. So COVID-19 kapro idu vandu and the infection la irundhu neenga cure aanadukku appo indha disease varudhu appadinu we are seeing nowadays in the news. So recently in a debate and discussion I have also seen that a doctor unveiled the truth about this mucormycosis. He has told that this infection is not affecting the healthier people. The people who are having less immunity is being affected by mucormycosis. So mucormycosis is a sucrose loving one fungus, we can say. So we should not have high sugar level in our body. So this is one reason which has been told by the doctor as a reference I am giving to you. The types of mucormycosis. What are the types of mucormycosis? There are so many. I gave some here. Rhinocerebral, pulmonary, gastrointestinal, cutaneous and disseminated mucormycosis. So these all are the infections it causes. The place of infections the mucormycosis causes inside the human body. So how it is transmitted? For example, this COVID-19 is spreading through air. That is only the reason that we are wearing the masks and we are wearing the gloves and we are using the sanitizers. But this transmission is from the environment. It is already present in the environment. How it enters into our body? Through inhalation, inoculation or ingestion of spores from the environment. So it is not affecting the healthier people, it is affecting the people who all are having the less immunity in their body. Mucormycosis does not spread between people or between people and animals. So it is not a zoonotic disease and it is not a contagious disease. So this kind of spread occurs only through low immunity of an individual. So you can ask me a question right here. It is present in the environment and I am inhaling it and it gets entered into my body, and why it is not affecting me? Because you may be having the immunity. Your white blood cells and red blood cells may be so active. So that is only the reason that you are not being affected. For example, I may have that mucormycosis inside my body. Because of the immunity power, I am not getting infected. So that is only the reason. How will be the symptoms? How this diagnosis has been happening? How this diagnosis is done by the individual and by the doctor? So you will be seeing you will be having this hot pain and redness around the eyes or nose. You will be having fever, headache, coughing, a shortness of breath, bloody vomits and altered mental state. So here an important thing that we have to note, that is bloody vomit in the sense when you are being affected with this mucormycosis, as I have discussed earlier, it is a black fungus. So when you are being affected, this black fungus will be segregating the spores inside your body when it is getting the power to develop and disseminate. So that time this infection of mucormycosis will be developing a black color pigments in your body. While vomiting, you will be seeing this black color things or pigments, which is ultimately the reason for this mucormycosis. If you are being affected with the COVID-19 and you are having any other kind of diseases apart from COVID-19, it is an assured thing. Warning signs can include toothache, so palveli kuda ungalku irukkalam, loosening of tooth, pallu aadum, blurred or double vision with a pain. So double vision in the sense you will not be having two visions. It is a kind of thing which is very worried one, worryful thing. Blurred in the sense you cannot see, you can't able to see anything clearly, so it will be affecting your eye in all the way. So how we can prevent? So only thing to prevent is we should not get affected with any other diseases. Mainly we should not have diabetics. So apart from that, there are some avoiding areas with a lot of dust like construction or excavation sites. So I have told earlier, it is spreading from the environment, so you should not consume these things which is present in the atmosphere. So if you are in the situation to get this thing inside your body, this mucormycosis will be deposited in your body. So after some period of time, when your body level or when your immunity level of body get decreased, this spores will get activated and they will be developing symptoms like blindness. So when it can be predicted earlier and cured earlier, you will be losing your eye and it will be causing the blindness. So what all are the treatments? So now the treatments has been taken up by the doctors. So some of the prescriptions, antifungal medicines has been given by the doctors to the patients. So it is also requiring a surgery in the severe cases. So this is all about the mucormycosis. There is nothing to worry about this mucormycosis until or unless you are not having any kind of diseases at most like diabetics, in which you will be losing your immunity and you need to get consumed a lot amount of steroids. The steroids will increase your body sucrose and glucose level. This glucose level, this sugar level will increase the spread and the creation of spores inside our body of mucormycosis. So please be aware of it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.